As a SaaS marketing agency, we've built hundreds of Claude skills over the past few weeks. This varies from paid, SEO, and content. In this video, I'll be sharing the 10 marketing skills that we most commonly use. These are skills that you can use for your marketing work as well. Let's get on to it. Skill number 1 is PPC Keyword Research. We use it to build keyword lists for new Google Ads campaigns. The inputs are on the left: a website URL, seed keywords, competitor URLs, or any combination. The skill uses Ahrefs MCP to pull 4 things: matching terms, related terms, search suggestions, and the overview data. The skill then classifies every keyword on 3 fields: match type, intent stage, and an ad group theme. The output is a multi-sheet spreadsheet that you can import to your Google Ads editor directly. Skill number 2 is Google Ads Audit, working on existing accounts. You export 12 tables from your Google Ads account and give them to the skill. The list is on the left side. The skill reads them in the same order every time and produces an audit report. 2 things to mention here. If a table is missing from the export, the skill says so instead of guessing. And every insight it writes has 3 parts: a metric, a comparison, and the business impact. This keeps the audits from coming back as vague summaries. Skill 3, the negative keyword skill. This connects live to Google Ads. Before it looks at any search terms, it pulls the campaigns, ad groups, keywords, and landing pages, so it understands what each ad group is trying to sell. Then it pulls the search term reports. Every search term gets a score of 1 to 10 based on intent match and theme alignment. 7 or higher stays, 5 and 6 are flagged for monitoring. 4 and lower is recommended as negative. The output is a spreadsheet with the scores, the negative list at the right match type, and the wasted spend number. Skill number 5. The CRO audit skill scrapes a landing page and scores 5 sections: hero, CTAs, form, social proof, and page structure. The fields that it extracts from each section are on the left. One thing to note here: the number of form fields that works depends on the audience. Narrow ICP pages can use 5. Broad pages should usually stay at 3. The skill has that rule built in so that recommendations match the audience. The output here is a spreadsheet with the recommendation and A/B test ideas. Now coming to our 5th skill, which is the LinkedIn paid social creator. The paid social skill here has 3 stages, and each stage saves its output to a file. Stage 1 is client research: brand voice, product, person, differentiation. It writes a markdown file. Stage 2 is competitor analysis: same shape of content but for competitor set, and writes another markdown file. Stage 3 reads both these files and generates ad variants. The reason for the file handoff is so that the brand voice stays the same across campaigns. If we rerun client research every time, the tone would drift a little each run. The output here also is a spreadsheet with either single image or carousel ad variants. Now let's get to content. Content gap audit skill takes 4 websites as input: the client plus 3 competitors. Discovery uses web search, not web fetch. Web fetch is blocked on most blog domains, so using it would fail. After discovery, the skill extracts topic, format, and buyer intent from the titles. It then maps the overlap: what every site covers, what one site owns, and where the client has gaps. Ahrefs fills in volume and difficulty for each gap topic. The output is 2 CSV files. Our next content skill is the blog writer. It uses 4 MCPs in parallel. The routing is on the left side of the slide: Slate for SEO and AI citation data, Google Ads for paid search patterns, Meta Ads for paid social patterns, and Ahrefs finally for other SEO data. The article structure is set inside the skill file: a H1 with an italic subtitle, 5 or 6 key takeaways, body sections, FAQs, and infographics that are rendered on Canva. The output is a Word document that you can go ahead and publish. Skill number 8, monthly SEO report. This has 4 inputs: Search Console, Ahrefs, HubSpot, and Looker screenshots. The deck has 12 slides in the same order every month. The list is on the left: title, executive summary, traffic trend, top movers, branded versus non-branded, category trends, keyword rankings, wins and losses, conversions, lead by life cycle, and next steps. One thing to mention here is how URLs are classified as branded or non-branded. A short list of paths: home, pricing, integrations, about, careers, referral is branded. Everything else is non-branded. That rule keeps the split consistent across clients. The output is a PowerPoint file that gets uploaded directly to Google Slides. Coming to our ninth skill, the GEO audit. This is about getting content cited by AI engines like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, and Claude. The citation on the left is from a 2024 research paper by Georgia Tech, Princeton, and IIT Delhi. Sites that score well on GEO metrics see 30 to 115% more visibility in AI responses. This skill is built around that finding. It runs in two phases. Phase 1 pulls the home page, identifies the business type, and crawls up to 50 pages from the sitemap. Phase 2 runs 5 audits at the same time: citability, platform presence, technical, content quality, and schema. Each audit runs on its own, so the scores don't influence each other. The output here is a composite score out of 100 and a list of fixes ordered by priority. The last skill is the humanizer skill. It scans text for 24 patterns from a guide that we've created on Science of AI Writing. The first few are on the left: significance inflation, notability name dropping, AI vocabulary, and so on. It doesn't rewrite the whole piece, it finds the pattern and fixes it in the place. We run every blog post, ad, and email through it before publishing. So those are the 10 skills that we use the most in TripleDart for marketing. If you'd like to see how a stack like this would look like for a specific team, the link to our site is in the description. We've covered Claude skills in way more detail in our complete Claude skills guide. I'll add the link in the description below. Let me know in the comments if you want any of these skills covered in more detail. We'd also be happy to share you the skills asynchronously. Thank you so much for watching.